Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you a great standing Pilates exercises for over 50s. And this is great for balance and also strength. Now, first things first, I like to stand nice and straight and almost feel as if you've got a piece of string from the top of your head, making you nice and in alignment. Shoulders nice and relaxed and back. Now gently placing the hands onto your tummy, just gently breathe in for the count of 3, and then just this will be your place to hold your core, so you want to keep that engagement. So what we're going to do first, we're just going to do just a little bit of shoulder rolls, going backwards just to warm up the body, and forwards. And then just taking the arms, coming back all the way along, big wide circles in a backwards motion. Again, holding the coring, engaging that core. And then coming forward. And then placing a hand onto the hip, we're just going to give a little gentle stretch to the side. And then back up again. We'll just do this a few times. Lovely, gentle side stretch. And one last time. So placing the hands on the core again, making sure that your stomach's engaged. We're just gently going to do a little twist. Come back up and then another twist. Again, holding that core. And you don't want to overstretch this. Just go as far as you feel comfortable. And one last time. So let's work on a bit of balance here. So I'm now going to just take my foot, I'm going to come forward and back, to the side and to the middle again. So forward, back into our normal position. So forward, to the side, forward, to the side, and then come back to our position. This is a great balance exercise, which may seem simple, but actually can be quite challenging. Great for balance. And let's just do this one last time. And then on the other side, so making sure that the toes are nice and splayed out, so you've got plenty of surface area on the floor. That's if you're wearing no trainers, but obviously if you're wearing trainers, that's fine too. So nice engaged core, shoulders nice, back and straight and relaxed. I like to place my hands on the hips, come forward, come back to the side. And you should feel an engagement in your core whilst doing this. And let's just do this a few more times. And one last time. And then just give it a little shake out. So what we're going to do now, we're going to keep one leg onto the floor, and we're then going to come with the other leg and we're going to come behind, almost in a curtsy, and forward. Again, holding in that core, really great for balance. It may take a few times to get into the swing of this. Let's just do one side first. Again, engaging that core. Coming behind, a little bit of a twist slightly, and you're just bending the knee very lightly. And then stand up straight, and then let's go on to the other side. So making sure that our feet are nice and stable, and then we just backwards into the middle. let's just do this just a few more times. And one last time. And then with our foot, we're just going to come to the side and back, almost in a semicircular motion. To the side and back. And then if you like, you can go all the way to the front and back. Again, holding the core in, great for balance. And one last time. And shake it out. And then with the other foot, we're going to go to the side and back. And a few more times. And then coming all the way forward and back. Semicircular motion. Again, if you need to hold on to a chair or side of a wall, that's fine too. And one last time. And shake it out. And then just do a little bit of marching on the spot, just get everything nice and loose. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it really useful. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content and a thumbs up. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.